Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Time design team project. And today I am using the Blooming Days ephemera, and this is what she just released. Really cute. I'm also using the Scatter Dots 2026. Keep in mind, once this is gone, it's gone forever, so you might want to pick that up. The 3-inch postage cover die plate, I'm using that. Strawberry flower dies, and I'm using this, and actually the flowers that I'll show, they're made from Christine or Shabby Pink House. I'm using the flower leaf die plate, using a couple leaves from there. 3x3 square dies, and I'm using just this here. 5x5 card dies, using a couple items from there. Where Flowers Bloom, and I'm using a Stamp Die set from there, and then Blooming Pastels 2026. That's the paper pack that I'm using today. And here goes the card that I made for you today. And so I did use the little bows and butterflies. Those are currently out of stock, but they'll be back soon. But I still wanted to use them on this card. And then there goes that Blooming Days ephemera. And of course I added the stickles on there, like, not stickles, but a little bit of glitter on there like I normally do. And there goes the flowers that Christine made, Shabby Pink House. And then, as you can tell, I did use that embossing folder on the back. And then that's that 3x3-inch postage die there. It turned out so cute. I made it a little whimsical just by adding a slant on that card base there. And then there goes the inside. I really like how it turned out. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or on the release weekends, of course, it is 15% off. Or you can use any of the other designers' codes as well. That's all I have for you. Make sure you visit the other ladies. Their links will be down below, as well as on Instagram. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.